Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailchimp to Squarespace. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to seamlessly sync your email subscribers and manage your email marketing campaigns directly through your Squarespace site. Let's dive right in and get this set up. First, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the website you want to connect with Mailchimp. This is important because you'll need the proper permissions to make changes to your site's settings. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Squarespace dashboard. Here you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website where you want to connect Mailchimp. This will take you directly to that site's management area where you can make all the necessary changes and configurations. Now that you're inside your chosen website, look over to the left side menu. You'll need to find and click the gear icon. This gear icon represents your settings and is your gateway to all the customization and integration options Squarespace offers. Clicking it will open up the settings panel where you can control various aspects of your site. Once the settings panel is open, direct your attention to the left side of the settings menu. Here you'll find an option labeled Third-Party Tools. Click on this option. This section is specifically designed to help you integrate external services and tools with your Squarespace site, making it the perfect place to set up your Mailchimp connection. Within the third-party tools section, you'll see several options. Look for and click on extensions. This area houses all the available integrations that Squarespace supports, allowing you to enhance your site's functionality with popular marketing and business tools. Now scroll through the available extensions until you find Mailchimp. Once you've located it, click on it. This will bring up the Mailchimp integration settings and give you access to the connection options you need to link your accounts. On the Mailchimp integration page, you'll see a button that says Connect. Go ahead and click this button. This action initiates the connection process between your Squarespace site and your Mailchimp account. You're just one step away from completing the integration. Finally, you'll be prompted to log into your Mailchimp account. Enter your Mailchimp credentials and sign in. Once you've successfully logged in, the system will automatically connect your Mailchimp account to your Squarespace site. This seamless connection means your subscriber data will sync between both platforms, making your email marketing efforts much more efficient. And that's it. You've successfully connected Mailchimp to Squarespace, allowing you to manage your email campaigns and grow your subscriber list all in one place. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.